Welcome to Penny's STEAM Lab.
Hi guys, welcome back to Penny's STEAM Lab. Today we're going to be learning about germs. There are 4 types of germs: bacteria, virus, fungi, and protozoa. They're everywhere. On our hands, on our tablets, computers, phones, which you might be watching on, doorknobs. Tell you what, where's your favorite place to go, like vacation? I'll give you a few seconds to think about it. Done yet? There's germs there. Here's what you can do to stop spreading germs. You can cough or sneeze in your elbow, sneeze in a handkerchief, or cough in a handkerchief or a tissue. And if you're sick, stay home in bed. Let's talk about the biggest thing you can do: wash your hands. Here's an experiment so I can show you how germs hate soap. And it's really fun washing your hands. I have a few tips for washing your hands too that will make it a lot funner. Singing happy birthday, ABCs, or row, 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 row twice. What you're going to need for this experiment is a bowl of water, some glitter, and some soap. What I want to do is have my fingertip dip into soap with the glitter in, and when I dip into it, all the glitters that we're pretending that are germs go all away. We put the glitter in, and now you're going to need to dip your finger in some soap really, really good. Look at it! It ran all the way. For the next part of this video, I'm going to show you how to wash your hands. I'm going to use paint. Pretend that paint is soap. Now I'm going to put some paint on my hands. Make sure I get every spot. If you see a spot without paint, that means there might be germs. I got some paint on my hands, now it's time to do this. Now let's wash your hands for real. Look at all that blue water. Ooh, I forgot to put some soap on it. Ooh, that's black. A little bit. If you liked this video, make sure you comment down below and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching, and make sure you wash your hands. So let's talk about the biggest thing you can do. Wash your hands!